What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to give you this awesome update on Captain Rah-ffle and just the channel in general, like the whole direction we're moving towards. So I've been MIA for a little bit. I apologize. Before we begin, real quick, shout out to Shock G, DMX, Black Rob. So shout out to those artists that have passed away recently and anyone else that I forgot. Definitely miss you guys and appreciate all the work and creativity that you guys brought and put out for us. We really miss you guys. Blessings and prayers, many prayers to the family and friends who have lost those individuals. We're gonna move on to a positive note now. Now, the good thing is, I got a new storage unit. Let's go check it out real quick. I'm really excited about this. I hope you guys like it. Like I said, this is where we're gonna finish up Captain Rah-ffle. We're gonna do the next rah-ffle after Captain Rah-ffle. And then to my projects, finally, we're gonna get started on that stuff. We're gonna do it here in these storage units. So let's go ahead and jump in here, show you guys what we got, and we'll get this thing going. This is awesome, guys. Check this out. All right, so lights. We have lights. That is a huge plus. We have electricity right here. 2 outlets. Boom. That right there makes me more excited than you will ever know. All these storage units I have 0 lights and 0 electricity. But the good news is I can fit a whole bunch of stuff in this unit here. Whole bunch of stuff. Multiple cars, my equipment, all kind of stuff. So one of the first things we're gonna bring over is gonna be probably the unicorn and then Captain Rah-ffle and the frame. And I'm gonna bring the frame down here and finish getting that blasted. It'll be easy to clean up once we get that all finished up. Then we'll bring the body in here, drop the engine in, drop the body on, get the interior straightened out, and we'll be good to go. And we'll start bringing the other cars down here. But a lot of room though. Lots and lots of room. Oh man, I'm so happy about this. All right, guys, so give me a little bit of time to get everything situated, moved around, and brought over here. I got to move Captain Rah-ffle, the body, the frame. I got the other Impala down there. I got the convertible Impala down there, and then 2 storage units with just random stuff. So I'm doing this all by myself. So give me a little bit of time to get this stuff moved over. We'll pick back up on the camera and get the rest of Captain Rah-ffle blasted in this unit right here. And once we're all done with that, like I said, we'll get the engine in, we'll get the body on. We got the wheels for it. We get those wheels on there, and then we'll get this thing rolled out to a winner. I don't know where this thing is gonna go. We got people again from all the way out in California, back out east to New York, back up in Canada. I gotta double check. I think there's only one person from Hawaii this time. But yeah, like I said, you know, the winner, guys, it's free delivery for the winner. All you gotta do is just be there to sign for it and receive the vehicle. You gotta be 18 or older. So if you're under 18, you gotta have a parent or a guardian or somebody who's over 18. Pretty much hold your spot to do this. Okay, so just give me a little bit more time here. I got to get these units closed out and get this stuff moved over here. And I'd like to get an update done at least every Friday, update video for Captain Rah-ffle and the rah-ffle in general, so everyone can stay updated and current on what's going on there. So once we get that stuff moved over, we'll get these update videos done. I'm going to try to get at least every Friday for you guys so you can stay current on what's going on. We'll get this stuff moved over here, and then from there, once the car is in a rolling state with the engine and the body and everything on, we're gonna get stuff buttoned up and get it ready to go. And then the winner can finish up wherever they want, do it however they want. Again, the car's got a clean title, ready to go. Just needs your name on it. And that's it. That's it. So Darian Laska was the first winner of the very first rah-ffle we did. That car was from Texas. Him and his son are working on that. He's a huge mini trucker. He got a sweet mini truck. His son's got one too. And I'm gonna go back out there and get some video. Ask him if I can get some video and footage of his trucks, because they're just too nice not to show. They're amazing. So we're gonna go back out there. We're gonna see his trucks. The second winner was out in California. That car was the Chameleon 63 Chevy Impala. And that gentleman there won that car. He goes by 40. So 40 won that car. They're both kind of in the same stage right now. 40's car and Darian's car. Got them all disassembled, stripped down. Darian's throwing a new frame under his and some floors. And 40 has his car taken apart. I believe it's in the same stage right now also. Engine pulled out, you know, gonna do floors, frame, all that kind of stuff. And It's awesome. This is exactly what I want to do, guys. This is what I want to do. Get some projects out there for you guys. We can build them together. I want to get started on my projects, so now I can build along with you guys. We get this stuff on the road, we cruise and repeat. We do it again. We get some more cars out to more people. So I know I didn't explain it before, but the plan for all this stuff, the rah-ffles, everything with this, is to just keep this stuff going, guys, and spread the love and get this next generation involved, and just, you know, keep the tradition going. So right now we got a winner out in California. We got a winner out in Cleveland. I'm not sure where the winner for Captain Save-A-Fo is going to be, but wherever that car ends up, I'm hoping it's somewhere nice like Hawaii, but wherever Captain Save-A-Fo ends up, we'll be making a trip out there also. So from California to Cleveland to wherever Captain Save-A-Fo ends up, we're going to be making trips out there, seeing these cars, getting video footage, getting time in front of the camera with the winners of these cars, their friends, their families, you know, talk about their passion, talk about why they want to do this, talk about what got them into this, and you know, their plans moving forward. Are they going to leave this to the family, their kids? Are they going to, you know, what's the plans going to be when they get done with this car? So so that's what it's all about, guys. That's it. I'm being completely honest and transparent with you guys. So if you're new to the channel, or if you're new to the rah-ffles, what I'm doing is I'm getting these cars that are hard to reach for a lot of people and putting them back out there for a fraction of the cost, and you know, letting people build these up. I'm including a lot of extra expensive stuff with the car, so that kind of gives you a head start to get the car going and get it going in the direction you want to get it in. So the previous car, we had hydraulics in there. This car, we're putting the LS engine in there and 4L80E transmission. Got some wire wheels, gonna have some more hydraulics, some hoppos going in there. So a lot of stuff going into the car. So it's just my give back to the community, not just the lowrider community, but the automotive community in general. I mean, the car show scene, the classic car scene. These cars are getting pricey. They're getting very pricey. A lot of these cars are going for more than what a house costs. So, you know, it becomes out of reach for a lot of people real fast. So it doesn't have to be like that. You know, these cars are for everyone, and I'm just trying to help somebody get their dream on the road. That's all it is. Now, with that said, the plan is to get in touch with all these winners of these vehicles that have won so far, and the winners coming up. We're gonna follow along that build process from the time they receive the car to the time they tear it apart, build it up, and get it where they want it. And then when it's ready to get on the road, I'm gonna get one of my cars. We're gonna cruise out there wherever they are and cruise with them. You know, we'll meet the friends, we'll meet the family, we'll learn about the winner, we'll learn about, you know, what their passion with vehicles is, what got them started, why they're doing this, and you know, and just go from there. And it won't just be lowriders, it'll be the mini trucks, it'll be diesels, it'll be all kind of stuff. Like I said, we're gonna go out there, we're gonna meet these winners, we're gonna learn about them. During that time, they're building their cars up, I'm gonna build mine up, so that hopefully with these Impalas, by the time they're wrapping up, I'll be wrapping up with mine. We'll get out there, we'll cruise with them, and you know, we'll do it again for the next winner. We'll get out there, cruise with them, we'll get video and pictures of the process, we'll share it with you guys. And this goes for all the winners. So we got a car in California right now, we got a car in Ohio. I don't know where Captain Save-A-Fo is going to end up at, but wherever that car ends up, we're going to be there with it though, and we're going to cover that build process, and hopefully up until the time to cruise it, and we'll cruise with them. So that's where we are, guys. That's what we're going to do. Doing this for you guys, doing this for the community. So I'm all about meeting new people. I'm all about good times, good food, and just doing it all over again. I've mentioned that in previous videos before, and that's all it is, guys. That's all it is. There's no smoke and mirrors. This is what it is. So doing this for you guys, doing this for the culture, not just cars, but trucks, daily drivers, exotic cars, custom cars, diesels, whatever it may be. Doing this for everyone. Trying to bring this in for everyone to enjoy, and you know, just make it a fun channel. So there's gonna be a lot of travel involved, there's gonna be a lot of stories involved, there's gonna be a lot of builds involved. With these other builds going on, like I said, I'm gonna try to get my builds done during this time, so we're gonna cover my builds, we're gonna cover their builds, and you know, and we're gonna cover some new shops that's coming out. So even with the custom car shops, we're gonna get some time in with those guys too. There's a local shop out here called The Shop. We'll be getting some time in with them. Gonna be going back down to Louisville, Kentucky, and getting some time in front of camera with Brent from Pitbull Hydraulics. He's a walk-in legend in the Midwest. So we gotta get some time with this guy so you guys can meet him, learn about him, see his work. You've heard of Pitbull Frames, but have you heard of Brent? Do you know Brent? We're gonna find out about Brent real soon. Brent's an awesome guy, and I just need to share that with you guys too. So a lot of good stuff coming up. We're gonna get more shops and more people in front of the camera from all over, not just local. So it's gonna be awesome, guys. It's gonna be awesome. This is just my journey, my process, my build on my YouTube channel that I'm sharing with you. And you know, I'd love to get some feedback from you. So if there's a place, if there's a shop, if there's a person that you wanna you know, have seen on YouTube also and interviewed and talked about, let me know. I'd be more than happy to go out there, talk to that person, or at least video chat with them, and get them on camera and introduce them to the world so that people can know, you know, who they are, what they do, and you know, and what they provide for the automotive community. So there's going to be another Impala after Captain Save-A-Fo, and we're going to get into some mini trucks after that too. I got 2 mini trucks, clean mini trucks, ready for some winners. So stay tuned for that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate all the love and support. Please continue to share, like, and comment, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, guys, take care.